Administrative Options allows the administrator the ability to customize software settings. In order to access the Administrative Options tab, a user must have administrative rights or this tab won't be visible. From the Drake Tax home window, open the Setup menu, Options, and select the Administrative Options tab. To customize the accessibility of data entry screens for preparers that have full security rights, select Use Customize Data Entry Selection menus and click Customize. Choose the package, package type, and click Load Menu. All menu items are visible by default, which is indicated by a check mark. Click once to select screens that will be locked and hidden and not accessible to users, which is indicated by a shaded box. Click twice to select screens that will be hidden from the data entry menu but can still be accessed using the selector field. Click Save to save the changes, or click Cancel to close the menu without saving any changes. Your firm can create drop lists for the miscellaneous codes on screen 1 and the adjustment and payment description fields on the bill screen by selecting the Customize User-Defined Data Entry fields. Miscellaneous codes can be created for tracking purposes. Reports can be generated based on the selections in these fields. Highlight the field and double-click or click Edit. In the Add Entry section, enter a code and a description and click Add. Once it is added, it is displayed in the entry list. Once you have created a drop list, it appears in the selected field in the Miscellaneous Codes section on the name and address screen. In this example, Miscellaneous Code 1 field has been defined by the user to track advertising methods, such as business referral, using codes for business, word of mouth, and website referrals. To create customized options on the bill screen, select the field name and double-click or click Edit. In the Add Entry section, enter a code and the description, then click Add, and it displays in the entry list. Once all selections have been made, click Save Changes. Click Exit to return to the Administrative Options tab. On the bill screen, the drop list was created under the Payments section. In data entry, flag fields are used to indicate a field requiring verification or review. This can be done in the return on a case-by-case basis or set globally here. Under the Flag Fields for Review on All Returns section, select Use Customize Flagged Fields on All Returns. Click Flag and select a package type. When the Data Entry menu is opened, click the desired screen and click a field to flag. Right-click the field to see the options to flag for review when the screen is created, when the return is created, and remove the flag if desired. To lock a field, the Bill Override field, for example, right-click and choose Lock Field, and that field is only accessible to users with administrative rights. Exit that screen, and the Flag Fields for Review window shows the screens with flags and the number of flags on those screens. Select Apply these settings on returns as they are updated from the prior year to bring them forward from year to year. Under the Due Diligence section, select Print all Due Diligence Assistant documents generated from the DD1 and DD2 screens to be included with the return. To require all applicable Due Diligence Assistant screens to be completed before a return can be e-filed, keep that option checked. By default, each logged-in preparer has access to their personal client manager from the Drake Tax window. To disable the Personal Client Manager for all preparers, uncheck the box under Main Dialog Options. There are rules regarding bank product fees for certain states. Click on the Program Help link to understand the rules and discuss them with your bank product provider. In the Drake PDF Printer Password Options section, Drake Tax provides users the option to automatically password protect any PDF documents generated by the Drake PDF printer when saving returns to Drake documents. This setting is selected by default, using a password format of the first 4 characters of a taxpayer's last name plus the last 5 digits of the ID. Other formats may be chosen from the default password drop list. The default password settings can also be overridden on the Print Selection dialog box in the View Print mode of the return. If you subscribe to the ABC Voice Return Status Notification program, you will choose to generate consent forms and require contact information here. If the client file has been password protected, the client will not show up in reports or labels by default. You can check this option to include password protected returns in reports. For more information, go to drakesoftware.com.